Hello, this is an energy block and clearing session to help you pay off financial debt. This session will help clear away negative energy and energetic blocks, which may be getting in the way of you paying off your own financial debt. Make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because at the end of this session, I will let you know how you can get your own completely free, do-it-yourself energy field clearing. Okay, a few things to talk about before we begin our session. Make sure you're in pretty good physical health. Also, please make sure you're in good emotional health. You may experience some minor physical changes during the session and after the session. You may also experience some emotional changes during the session and after the session. Okay, right now I am opening and creating a sacred space. This sacred space will be open now and anytime you return to do this energetic block clearing session. I am only allowing in beings of the highest and the best and of 100% pure light. Right now, I am inviting in Archangel Michael. Okay, the way this session is going to work is I am going to say a few things and then you'll repeat them out loud after me. It's essential that you repeat them out loud for the best benefit and to get the most clearing. If you just listen, you may receive a little bit of clearing and some of your energy may be cleared, but speak and speak out loud. All right, we're going to begin. I am calling on Archangel Michael to assist me with this clearing session. Please clear all energies that are interfering with me successfully paying off my financial debt now. Please remove all cords, all attachments, and all implants that are interfering with me successfully paying off my financial debt now. Please remove and clear anything else that is interfering with me successfully paying off my financial debt now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, for the next few moments, we're just going to stop and take a few deep breaths in and out. Okay, this clearing session has now officially ended. I am now closing out the sacred space. I am also thanking Archangel Michael. Okay, so the session is complete. For the next 24 hours, it's important to drink plenty of water to help the energy move around and leave your energetic field. So drink plenty of water, make sure it's pure water, filtered water, and make sure it's water, not coffee, not juice, not soda, pure water. As I mentioned at the start of this session, you may experience some physical and emotional changes. You know yourself, you know your body. If anything's up and you feel different, you feel something's out of whack, contact a medical professional immediately. Everyone should be fine, but just want to put the disclaimer out there. All right. If this is your first session, if this is the first clearing session you've ever done, first clearing session you've done with me, or you haven't done one in a long time, wait 24 to 48 hours before repeating this session or any of my other sessions. But after that, you can come back and you can repeat these sessions up to 3 times per day. If you're focusing on paying off your debt and improving your finances, and this is an important goal to you, this might be one of the sessions to come back and do multiple times per day. So after the next couple days, if this is the first session you've done or you haven't done one in a long time, come back here. I'd say set a reminder to come back here multiple times throughout the day and do this session. Maybe do it first thing in the morning, around lunchtime, before you go to bed. But this can be very helpful to clear out some of the negative energy and some of the blocks that could be getting in the way of you successfully paying off your financial debt. Okay, thanks so much. All right, and as I said, I'm going to tell you how you can download a completely free do-it-yourself energetic field clearing. Go to www.blocksclear.com, type www.blocksclear.com into your browser, and when you get there, just enter your email address and you will have instant access to a do-it-yourself energetic field clearing. And this is great to use in between sessions like this or just throughout the day, throughout the week, whenever you need to, just to maintain your own energetic field. All right, thanks so much for doing this energetic clearing. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel, share it, like it. If you found success after doing this session, if it helped you clear your financial blocks, if it helped you pay off your debt, your financial debt, comment below and let me know what's going on. So thanks again. Share this, like this. If you know anyone else that is challenged when it comes to financial debt, send them to this clearing. I mean, it's only about 7 minutes long. It's free. These are available for free, and I will be adding more of these clearing sessions in the coming days. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for access to all of these free clearing sessions.